stay the land, stay the land. Stay, let it stay, let it stay, let it stay, let it stay the land, stay the land. Ha 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 ha. Stay the land, stay the land. Ha 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 ha. Stay the land. You win the best, you best. You win me. Now I stand, no, I'm buying. Now I stand, I stand in line. So I'm buying, no, now I stand. Now I'm buying, I stand in line. Say another day, another day, another day, let's stay the land, stay the land. Stay the land, stay the land. Stay the land. You win the best, you win the West End, you win the West End. Come on, the best end, the best end, the one man. Come on, the best end, you win the best end, the line. American, the stay land, the stay the land, stay the land. Stay the land, stay the land. Stay the land. You win the best in the best in. You win the oh I'm not the West End. You win the best in the one man the West End. You win the best. Stay the land, stay the land. Stay, let it stay, let it stay, let it stay, let it stay the land, stay the land. Ha 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 ha. Stay the land, stay the land. Ha 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 ha. Stay the land. You win the best in the best in. You win me. Now I stand, no, you want me. Now I stand in line. So I'm buying, no, now I stand. You want me, I stand in line. Say another day, another day, another day, let's stay the land, stay the land. Stay the land, stay the land. Stay the land. You win the best in you win the West End, you win the West End. Come on, the best in the best end line. The one man, come on, the best in you win the best end line. American, the stay land, the stay the land, stay the land. Stay the land, stay the land. Stay the land. You win the best in the best in. You win the oh I'm not the West End. You win the best in the one man the West End. You win the best.
All right, let's see if everything works. Should be working. Should be working just fine. All right. Okay. Can anyone hear me clearly? I hope everyone can hear me clearly. Okay, cool. Where to begin? You know what? Since this is a showcase, you can choose what to showcase first. At least for now, I can showcase cards, like creating custom cards, and I can showcase creating events. Yeah. Okay, so what should I create, or what should I begin with? Among Us. Fuck off, man. There we go. I'm demonetized. What am I hearing? What the hell? I hear something crazy. Okay. Wait. Does any one of you know how to save a stream? Like, you know, save the video. Luigi Q, that is a very true thing to say. At least, a lot of people. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Let me put this food away. Okay, so I hope this is not ear rapey. Okay, so what was I talking about again? All right, legit. Someone is freaking wait, people have been following? Wait, let me actually check Streamlabs because kind of lost. Okay, tell me. Okay, so guys, tell me if my microphone doesn't freaking destroy your eardrums. I really hope it doesn't. Okay, let me actually check who followed me, or at least who, yeah. Oh geez. Okay. What the hell? There we go. Okay. So before we begin, let us see. Okay, so Energis and Luke subscribed. Fuck both of you. No, I love you guys. Oh jeez. Okay, so for those who don't know, the homie Crimson is joining the party today. Hello. Okay, so let me actually get back to chat. There we go. Okay, so let's see. My ears are good. Okay, everyone, will you leave the replay of the live online? Yes, I guess it's already safe to say. Yeah, I guess you can save it. I guess it's. Yeah, I mean, it should be. At least I think it should be. Okay, so let me actually put yeah, okay, so good. Someone freaking subscribed. Okay, I cannot get over that freaking that subscribed screen. Freaking Omar Jackson. Okay, so it is loud as fuck. Okay, let me actually put this a little bit lower. I think this is good. Is this okay? This is fine. Okay, what cunt? You're staying alive. I forgot what these things do again. I don't know if someone subscribed or either freaking followed me. I don't know. Learn to strike a list. You're straight. Okay. Oof. Let's see. Okay. So let me delete everything. Okay. Fine. And yes, I play Summertime Saga. Don't fucking judge me. Okay. So oh god. Don't make me. I don't want to spoil. I don't want to spoil everything. Okay, so this is So this is the first. This is the first screen you get. After you're signed up. So here are a few options you can get. You can go to the tab editor. This is basically letting you edit cards, events, and banners. It doesn't get more self-explanatory than that. This is your patches screen. For those who are familiar with Dokkan, this is kind of a similar thing. I will not go into detail yet because this is still experimental. Okay, so moving on. This is your users tab. Now, I don't know if any of you have seen the clip or the YouTube video of what is his name? Dokkan Assets? Yeah, Dokkan Assets. He talked about like having different accounts. Now, yes and no. What I mean with yes and no is basically you create profiles on the database. So this sexy thing right here. Hold on. Let me. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so all it does is just creates. It just copy and pastes one database. So this is a database, and this is a database. It contains your stones. It contains your user info, your cards, your items, the quantity, the time of items you have, and stuff like that. Okay, so it's basically it has all the information a normal Dokkan account has. That's all these accounts are. They are not legit Dokkan accounts. My app is not connecting to the original servers at all. Okay, so continuing, you have data. This is basically the first screen you have to go to, because since Scythe doesn't connect to the Dokkan servers, the original Dokkan servers, you have to get your assets manually otherwise. Now, I have a simple solution for this. I just download everything on my server, and then from here, so with these buttons right here, you can actually restore, update, and download all, like re-download all data. Like with re-download all data, it just deletes everything from your Dokkan directory and replaces it with recent ones. As for update assets, this is basically nothing but a data download check. So it checks if there are any new assets, and then it basically restores. Or not restore, it just basically downloads those assets you're missing. As for restore thumb, I don't think you will ever use this. This is just the, oh, what the hell just happened? Yeah, so the restore thumb, I'm not gonna go into too much detail with this. You will not really need this if you're not like, if you didn't used to be a Unidokkan creator. I don't know. Yeah, so that's that. As for restore assets, this is basically going to lead you to another page and basically restore assets. So if you miss any assets, or you can manually tap assets, they will re-download it for you. Yeah, it's basically an advanced version of update assets. On the other hand, like update assets is just faster if you just want to update your assets. But yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see. Let's actually go to users first. Okay, so if you tap on an account, you get 4 menus. One being your info. The screen is pretty self-explanatory. You can edit your name, your XP, rank, act, your stone count, Zenny, Baba, and friend points. Yeah, basically what you see on your screen, that's what you can work with. As for cards, you can add cards to your box. So this is basically your where you edit your box. And if you tap on one of the characters, it basically gives you a pop-up that can let you choose to either delete the card from your box, or you can modify it. So as for modifying, there's not much you can do here except for changing the card, like changing the card ID of that set person in your character box slot. You can change the XP, you can change the super attack level, which is what he is in. You can activate his EZA if he does have one. So if he doesn't have one, but you want to create one, you can do that and then activate the EZA. So EZA, and actually the same goes for stickers. If a card doesn't have a sticker, you cannot toggle that. Okay, so the last thing on this page is potential. Yeah, pretty much you can choose either to not have any potential, you can have free potential, 1 dupe, 2 dupes, 3 dupes, and rainbow. Yeah, pretty much that. Should apply. Okay. There we go. Okay, so as for gifts, this is, I think, also pretty self-explanatory. You can add items to your gift box, whether it be stones, zenny, babas, points, friend points, freaking medals, whatever. Everything, basically. Even card capacity, which you will actually never need. Yeah, pretty much a description. I just like to do this for meme's sake. Remember this and the 300 stones. I think I didn't even do 300 stones. Did I? No, it was yeah, I have to change 300. There we go. See that? It's actually pretty easy and pretty nice. Like you do not have to delete your gifts to change them. So you can just do this, change amount, and then change them to whatever number you want. So it's pretty quick compared to other things on this app. This is basically your items. This is this is pretty much your item box. So this will actually carry your medals, your training items, your tickets. Pretty much that. That's actually everything regarding your user account. Let me actually go back to editor, because I'm pretty sure you guys are pretty excited about the cards, events, and banners. Well, one bad thing about the banners is I didn't create those yet. So that's kind of a bummer. So moving on. The cards, the cards section of this page pretty much has three buttons: new card, edit card, and create easy A. New card is just, you just create a new card from scratch. And as for edit card, you can edit already existing cards, whether they are custom or they are vanilla. So so that's that. Okay. One thing you have to remember with creating cards is that if you don't have original art, like artwork, you have to let me actually tap on new card. So you can see that there's no art available. This will also pop up in game if you don't have art for this. Art is not mandatory, but if you don't like an empty card that doesn't have art, you can change the art, or you can add the specific art you want to that card. Let's say I create another Gujira blue, right? And then I just let me actually see. There we go. So I basically tap on Gujira blue, and then the art is updated. Okay, make a free test version. Nah, man. Okay, so if you click on new card, or if you edit card as a whole, you have five pages, and out of those five, only 4 are mandatory. So the active. So I'm specifically talking about the active skill that doesn't need to be added. So you can leave that blank if you don't want to. But if it comes to a leader, passive, and super attack, those are important, and they have to have that. Otherwise, your game will just crash. Okay, so this is pretty much your ID. This is the ID. You cannot edit this. So that's that. As for a character ID, this is basically referring to your character sprite collection. So you have these sprites that attack and stuff like that. This is basically the character ID. You have to apply these right character ID, because let's say you have a Gogeta, the art is Gogeta, but when you play, you see like Fidel or something. That's kind of weird. So you can preview the character ID, and you can pretty much edit the character ID. HP, attack, and defense. What else is to say about that? As for element, also, from the text alone, you can already tell what it does. As for classes, it's just to apply them to a super or an extreme type, or just plain old AGL. As for key multiplier, this is basically the amount of times it multiplies your current attack stat. Like for example, if you didn't tap orbs and you see your attack stat, that gets multiplied by 150%. And here you can basically change that. So it's 150 per 12 orbs. So if you have 24 orbs, you just add another 50, and then you will have a multiplier of 200. Yeah, so that's that. As for links, yeah, just apply links. There we go. You just do this. Done. If you just want to give him like 2 links, you can just apply and then return. That's it. As for categories, same thing. Just apply. If you're done, apply and go back. Okay, so going to leader. This is very much still in the super alpha mode, because I don't think any casual user will understand value 1, value 2, value 3, unless you're a good problem solver. Okay, so as for leaders, you can give it 5 skills. And those 5 skills, like for example, the most leaders right now have only a set of 2, 3, or 4 skills. 2 of them being HP, attack and defense type of skills, and the other 2 being key type skills. So these the key and HP, attack and defense, these 2 are pretty much separated when it comes to selecting a skill. Like for example, let's say I just want to do category HP, attack and defense, right? I can only pass in the HP, attack and defense. Like for example, 120, 120, or 120. Okay. And then the other one I would set to, or I would have to set to key boost. So yeah, that's basically how it works. And also one thing very important with the skills is that you see this really weird menu that says flap plus or idle, flap minus, percentage plus, or percentage minus. So what this basically does is basically turn this into either a percentage boost or a flat boost. For example, like plus 100,000 HP or attack or defense or whatever, you know? So with these percentage numbers, you have to put it percentage plus or percentage minus. Okay. As for sub-target, this is basically the category you can choose. Like for example, this will be Peppy Gulls, HP, attack and defense plus 120%. Yeah, something like that. Couldn't get more specific than that. Regarding execution timing, just keep it at start round. You don't want to mess with that, especially when it's a leader. As for target is basically asking you for who this leader skill is supposed to be. So for example, for yourself, for your allies and yourself, for the selected enemy, for all enemies, super attack allies, extreme type allies, yeah, things like that. What? What does that even mean? Okay, freaking Angel Thought Slayer. Okay, so yeah, I would keep it to allies and self, because your leader skill is supposed to be for you and your team. Okay, so that's everything regarding leader, and you can also give him like other things. Like for example, this is going to be really silly, but let's say you give him a counter attack. I don't know, as a last skill, but I don't see why you would do that, since you can just add that to your passives. And coming to your passives are actually that one thing you're going to spend the most time on, aside from drawing art, if you're going to draw art. As for passives, although they take a long time, they are pretty simple to use. Now you just put in there the passive name, the description. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory, I hope. What the hell is why did it trip like that? Okay. Yeah. If you just add a skill, you can you have like a variety of different skills. Freaking nuking skills, changing key spheres, guard attack, effective against all types, additional attack, critical boost, dodge, things like that. And if it comes to, oh yeah, by the way, if you click on this, you will get to something funny. Let me show you. Oh jeez.
Sharma spent few days.
Ouch. Let me do this. There we go. Yeah, you get little Easter eggs like that. What the hell was that video, man? Oh jeez. Yeah, Scythe is an Android app. Okay, so yeah. So if you just choose choose a skill, like for example, attack and defense boost. Now the nice thing about passives is that with passives, I'm already almost done. So if you tap on this, you get these little boxes, like for example this one, and it's going to explain exactly what it does. Execution typing determines when a skill should activate. Target points to the skill points to who the skill is applied to. The sub-target basically filters the selected target to a specific category. The calculation type determines how to calculate a certain boost, so flat or percent. And turns is pretty much the skill's duration. So if you set it to 0, it will never stop. So for probability, I hope that's also self-explanatory. Okay. So when it comes to the skill settings, these are the unique settings that each skill has different for. So for example, attack and defense boost is pretty self-explanatory. So you just put in the attack value and the defense value. Now, the only very the very hard thing, the only thing that's pretty hard to do is to give it a certain condition. Like for example, let's say attack and defense plus 100% when HP is 30% or below. For example, that. If I want to create that, I can either do two things. I can either write my condition in JSON, which I do not recommend you do, or you can manage conditions. So for example, if you have created your own causalities or conditions, you can combine them, you can play around with them and save your own made conditions. Okay, so from here, I'm going to get really technical here, so I apologize if you don't understand, because this to explain this, I really have to be technical. Okay, so let's say I want to create a condition, right? I have a set of options here, like for example, HP is more than, key raises, key multiplier less than, after turn, attack is higher than enemy attack, yeah, things like that. Like for example, if I just want to increase the HP, or at least the I want to set a HP plus based a condition, then you just do that. Like for example 30, if it's 30% or above. And then the others, if you don't know what you have to do, you just press 0. And then also a description for the causality. Like for example, HP is 30% or below. Yeah, so pretty much that. Then you do OK, and then you have it right there. Now, for example, let's say I want to make multiple types of multiple types of possibilities. Like for example, multiple types of conditions that all of them have to be met, or just one of them have to be met. Like you can get really creative, but also really complex with. So for example, let's just add these. I can add as a grouped or as an individual condition. So this is basically asking me if it's an and or an or. So like or that has to happen, instead of and that has to happen. So for example, yeah. So grouped. Yeah, all of pretty much all of them have to be yeah, true. And then for the condition, you can also write a description, so you remember which one does which. I mean, you should really label your conditions, otherwise you'll be like, okay, what the hell does this do? 2 kisses, take it or leave it. What are you guys doing on chat? Let me check chat. I don't know what the hell people are doing. Oh wow, people are kissing each other. Really? Okay, so yeah, let's just do a combined condition. There we go. Okay, and then here you have to choose whether all the conditions have to be true or just one of the conditions have to be true. So basically an and or an or. Yeah. So yeah, let's just set it to an or for now. And this is what a condition. So this is a causality, and this is a condition. I am going to update this. I'm going to try to not intimidate people with weird code. But okay. Basically, if you're done with that, you can just build the conditions and then select again between those two, whether one of them have to be true or all of them have to be true. So for example, if I just do one of them have to be true, and then you get this. Please do not mess with this. Please don't mess with this. Don't mess with this. If you're not familiar with JSA, if you're not a programmer or whatever, don't mess with this. Don't touch this. Okay, so for battle params, this is only relevant when you do transformations or counterattacks. But yeah, that's that. And let me actually give you an example of how to actually create a passive skill. So if we go to counterattack, for example, I tapped counterattack. As for execution timing, this is just leave it at start round. The target is pretty much yourself. You're the only one that's gonna counterattack. A sub-target, not really. I would leave that none, because if you have anything regarding yourself, it doesn't have to, like, you should leave the sub-target alone. Okay, so freaking Omar Jackson. Okay, so regarding calculation type, if it's nothing boost related, I would always keep it at flat plus or idle. Don't mess with this. Okay, so as for turns, you just leave it at 0. You want them to always counter. For probability, also 100 unless it's a super attack. And now this is interesting. Now here you can already see a different screen. You have different wordings. Now, when it comes to damage reduction value, this is basically the percentage amount of your health or of the damage that you have taken will be reduced to that result that you get from 100 minus 90. So 10% of the damage will remain. Okay, so as for a damage multiplier, I would just set it to 300. That is basically for every counter. Or you can do it for 450. I just like to keep it at 300. As for Lua script, this is kind of hard to explain. I will have a button for the Lua script and tell like which script belongs to which script. But this is basically referring to the animation script ID. But yeah. So if it's Vegeto's counter, then it's number 2. I think you also have to have the possibility to create a new counter. Like for example, let's say I create a counter for Goku Black. Now how can I do this? I can either animate, use SFW, or like freaking Adobe Flash, like that program. What is it called? Adobe. No, it's not Premiere. No, that's a video editing. Wait, why am I dying in the background? What do you mean? Okay, so let's see. Yeah. Okay, so when it comes to creating new counters, Adobe Flash CS6. No, that's. Is it? If you have to give a percentage of Dokkan Scythe completion, which would you give? Oh, I'd say I am 65%, 70% done. Yeah, around that. I did a lot of the hard stuff already, so that's pretty cool. But when it comes to counters, let's say you have a Goku Black and you want to give him a counter, you can just tap on super attacks or active super attacks and just turn them into counters, so the counter becomes that super attack. So yeah, you can do things like that, which is pretty nice. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, so for active skills, you can just add an active. This is pretty much asking for the name, the effect description, the condition description, the amount of turns it lasts, and you also have execution amount. Now, the execution amount is very interesting because once a active is activated, it doesn't activate anymore. Now, if you set this to 0, it will, after the conditions have been met, will always activate. So that's really interesting. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much the background music you hear. I'm sorry that these aren't well labeled, but yeah. So, like for example, let's say the transformation of Zamasu's theme, you know, the chants, the chores, the freaking church chores or whatever, like that background music. And that's pretty much it for the main settings. As for the skills, this is basically the same thing as the passive skill. So you give it a skill, like for example, this active gives me an attack boost, but this active is going to make me transform, or even freaking counter attack or super attack. Well, when it comes to the super attack, these are labeled as ultimate attacks. So here you can choose whether it has a ultimate attack or not. This is the increase rate. I always set it to 650 because every one of those have 650. This is the name and description of that ultimate super attack. When it comes to the animation, it's pretty much the animation that plays during the activating of the active skill. And when it comes to animation, you can choose either the super attack animation, the active skill animation, or even the transforming animation for that specific card. Yeah, like for example, if I go to this LR, the LR blue, you can see that it has the 12 key super attack, the 18 key super attack, and also the active. And since he doesn't have a transformation, it doesn't show the it doesn't show the animation for the transformation. Okay. So moving on. When you're done with everything, you just apply. And then when it comes to super attack, this is pretty much, when you look at it, self-explanatory. Like for example, name, description, and attack all. They are explanatory. They're pretty self-explanatory. When it comes to the damage value, this one is really interesting because I did not include a documentation about damage multipliers, but I will. Don't worry about that. Yeah, I will not leave you blank on this one. Okay, so 180 and 250. That's the only two I know. 180 is immense damage, and 250 is mega colossal damage. Okay, so that's the two mandatory things you have to know about damage values. When it comes to start at key, this is pretty much always 12 or 18, depending if you have like an LR that needs an 18 key. This pretty much tells you when the super attack starts. So, for example, if I set this to 1, it will always super attack. Like what the Rage Bearers or the Great Apes have. Or no, not the Great Apes. I think only the Bearers. And this is start at level. This is pretty much talking about the super attack level. Yeah, you notice how when the super attack level changes, the animation changes as well. Like for example, the physical Goku Black. His super attack is the Kamehameha normally, but if you get past, I think super attack level 5 or super attack level 7, one of the two, it turns into the black ball super attack. So that's actually an interesting thing to know. If you don't want a system like that, you just always leave it to 0. As for the animation, so pretty much the super attack, you can even give it a active super attack as a normal super attack. So you can be like really flexible with this. You can do a lot of cool combinations. As for the skills, these are just extra skills. These like for example an extra attack boost. Like for example the physical Gotenks, these Super Saiyan Gotenks. When he super attacks, the damage will be times 100, or the initial attack will be times 2, so 100%. And this is basically the condition. I already went through this. Okay, yeah, that's actually everything regarding cards. So if you just apply that, then it basically works. At least I hope so. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's actually apply this. There we go. Okay. So, let's see if it actually works. Okay. Let me actually add it to my box. Because it's not in my box. I think I named it Vegito. Yeah, I think it's called Vegito. Well, Gogeta, that is called Vegito. I'm going to get so much shit in the comments for this. Yeah, there we go. So if I just add this, always add the I'll always add the one with the 1 at the end. That is basically the actual thing. So if it's added, you just go to Dokkan. You don't even need to launch. Yeah, it sometimes does that. Can't really do much about that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so basically your login screen. Then you have this, and then you just press login, and then it should just work. There we go. Yeah, let me God damn it. Fucking hell. Get so tired of that. Ah, please. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's see if it's in there. Oh, not that. Didn't want it to do that. Not items. Characters. There we go. And there he is. There we go. See? The description, yeah. Stupid things like that. See that? The 2 links we added and the category we added. Pretty much all is done for you. and I think he. Let's test him out. Let's test him out. This is so stupid, but let's test him out. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I didn't get him first term. Yikes. Let me just speed through this. Oh jeez. Floor. Oh jeez. Fuck you. This takes a while. Super annoying. Okay, so don't ask me why it's Vegito. Don't ask me, dude. Okay, so let's see. It didn't counter. Funny. Okay, so that freaking. Why was that Kamehameha wave in his stomach? What the hell? Okay, so returning to freaking the card. So if you just want to edit an existing or custom card, yeah, just search it here. For example, minus SSR. Doesn't have a class. There we go. Vanilla custom doesn't really matter now. There we go. Okay, so let's actually edit him. Okay, do you do most? You're doing the most? What do you mean with I'm doing the most? What is happening? Why is everyone calling me a freaking Dokkan dev? Nah, man, I'm a spy. When you guys all buy this, I will make sure you go to jail. Okay. I don't know why the fuck is the art unavailable. Anyway. Yeah, let's... I'm going to fix that. Yeah, let me actually check the passive. Because I did give him a counterattack. Only... Why didn't it do it? Oh, that's why. Well, actually... Hold on. No. None. Weird. Oh well. What is going on? What the? Wait. Let me read the comments. Wait, he asks payment so I can find what you. Not only do I ban you, but I just freaking steal your money. That is so funny. Oh jeez. Oh my god. Yeah, exactly. They have no idea what T6 can do. T6 is freaking crazy. Oh jeez. T6, yeah, T6 is scary. Indeed he is. Okay. What is my mode, you dick? Why are you here? Get the hell out of here. Okay, so continuing. Now, drum rolls. Events. There we go. Events, really easy to make. Really easy. Okay, really easy. Thank you for oh my god. Thank you for Thank you for subscribing. Adrian. Okay. Continuing. As for events. Wait, he made a sticker player? Who the hell did that? Review token. Okay, anyway. So as for events, really easy. Really easy. Okay? Just tap on, like, for example, let's actually, you know what? Let's delete this event. Let's do that. Let's create one event and test them out immediately. Okay? So I add an event. Let's call it the truth. I don't know. There we go. The truth event. Now the initial image and button are pretty much this. This is your initial page that you see. Okay. So leaving that. If you click on this button, you get the option settings, what we just clicked, and then you get the option to edit. Now, here are your quests. Your quests are nothing more than just the stages. Of course I'm going to get sued. Oh jeez. Okay. Anyway, so as for quests, these are basically your stages. So you can add a new quest. Let's say, for example, stage 1, right? And then, of course, every stage has its sets of difficulties, right? You can give it a normal, hard, Z hard, super, or super 3. So let's give it a super 3. There we go, super 3. Tap on that, you edit settings. You can change the background music of that set, and you can change the act. Now let's leave everything like it is. Oh, we edit playboard. Now this is when it gets really trippy. Now, if you scroll, like if you're not afraid to explore, you will see this. All right. So this is basically your map layout. 2 mandatory things. You have to give it a start node and a finish node. So a goal node. There we go. If you don't have these two, your game is going to crash. So you really have to watch out for that. Okay, so let's say we give it a boss battle. Okay? When it comes to boss battles, if you click on... Oh, by the way, if you want to change it into, for example, a key node, for example, you just click on type and then reselect the type of node it is. Okay, so for the... whatchamacallit? Let me actually do boss battle. There we go. Okay, so when it comes for the boss battle itself, if you click on edit, you can pretty much add a round. You know that a event or a boss battle exists out of 1 or more rounds. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so just add round. Easy. If you click on that round, you just edit. And then here you can add your selected enemies. Okay? So if you add an enemy, just click on add enemy. And then from here, like for example, let's say Videl. I don't know. Just add her. Sure. Okay. So if you click on Videl, just do edit, and then it leads you to this page. Now, the first thing you deal with is your gauge selector. If you have more than one enemy, don't select any gauges. Just set it at no boss gauge. Okay, so since we do have one enemy, let's just give it all gauges. Let's give her freaking 10 million health. Let's make her OP as fuck, actually. Okay. So you have must defeat. If you have one enemy, I would always check this. Otherwise, it will just lead you to an immediate victory. As for SA finish, this is pretty much asking you whether you have to finish this boss with an SA. So for example, if you guys remember the cell event, the old SDR cell event, you have to finish him with a super attack. As for max attacks, these are pretty much the amount of attacks it can attack you a maximum amount of times per turn. Or per round. And then the next round is pretty much the amount of turns it takes until you go to the next round, whether you defeated the enemy or not, or whether you had to defeat him or not. Okay, so let's just set this as they are. Reapply the changes, then we're pretty much set for our event. That's all you have to do. That's all of it. So if I launch Dokkan, let me actually, because I've overwritten my events, the game's gonna freak out if I, yeah. Koniro-sama, thank you for the follow, man. Thank you. Wait, did you subscribe or follow me? I don't know, which one is it? How am I so sus? What? Why? Oh my, I hate this error so much. Okay. Okay, stop spamming in my Twitch and freaking. Holy shit. By the way, people, share this with everyone. We need to get to that 1,000 mark. We really need to. We really need to. Odie, milk that? Milk what? What are you talking about, man? Ah, the goat is here indeed. Oh, by the way, here's our gift. See? Our gift. Virus, thank you for the subscription. Thank you for the subscription. Okay, so the fun thing. Thank you for the subscription. Okay, let's continue. If I accept my stones, I just get it. Thank you for the subscription. Okay, continuing. I'm sorry if that sounded really Actually, yes, let's do that. If we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. Of course, I like dudes. Well, I like nudes, and sometimes I like dudes. Subscription. Okay, so let's test out our event. And there we go. We do this, stage 1. We selected a Super 3. And there we go. Let's see how OP freaking Videl is. Okay, so we are going to get destroyed here by Videl. So I want everyone to clip this and post this on Twitter. Because I'm going to get tailed by freaking Videl. Please, someone post this, please. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Je vais dire champion because Krano Super. Dude, I got freaking. I just got clapped. I'm so afraid now. Like I shouldn't. But please, someone post it. Someone spam this, yo. Someone spam this. Spam it over Twitter. Make this a freaking meme. Turn this into a meme, yo. Oh my god! Oh jeez. Oh. Oh my god! Holy shit. Dokkan what the heck? I beated her though. Okay, so just like that you can create events. Just like that. Now actually let's have a little fun. Let's Let me actually end this. And let's actually let's edit a car. Okay, let's edit a car. And specifically a Cyberman. Alright? A Cyberman. Now this motherfucker is going to be... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So let's make him, I don't know, Asia, I don't care. Make him 99. 24. Well, actually, no, let's... 20, yeah, 24. Sure. 200. Let's actually change him. Supply that. No, let's not mess with his leader. Okay. So, let's... Yeah. Yes. Actually, can I change the skill? No, I cannot. Okay, so let's actually give him a counter attack. And this is the funny thing. Oh my god. Okay, so Param. Wait, Param? Oh yeah, Param. I think 200. There we go. And give him a crit effect. That's super. Oh jeez. Thank you, brother. Brother Elser the loser. Nah, man, you're not a loser. Don't worry. Wait, will you be able to make custom super attacks like Genesis? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So for params, yeah, there's going to be a button for this as well, because params is a really stupid way of saying that this applies to a page in a database, and there you can change the probability. So I would just include those two things, and then from there I do that. Sam, wat wil je? Moet je van me? What do you want? Tu vas pour moi faire ton Goku à la tipi. Kafir. You be wishing. There we go. Okay, so yeah, let's make him OP as hell. Let's apply that. Yeah, don't worry about that. You will not see that in the final thing. Okay, so let's actually make them really OP. There we go. There we go. He's an LR. Lego. Yes. There we go. Let's see. Okay. No grated filet allowed. Grated? Hoage, thanks for the follow, brother. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we have to actually add the Cybermen in my box. Otherwise. And as in saying to put it in my box, I don't mean it in a sexual way. So please. Okay. Let's wait. I don't have a Cyberman. Okay. Good that I don't have a Cyberman. Nice. Let's apply. And come on. Yay. As for modifying the rainbow, yeah, it should be rainbow. Apply changes. Come on. Hey, Liquid, how's it going? I didn't see you were there. Okay. So, let's launch Dokkan up again. Yeah, okay, why the fuck did that just freaking crash? Oh jeez. Ik zou hem niet mijn echte naam zeggen, man. Freaking dickhead. Annoying. The Destroyer of Words, thank you for the subscription, man. Thank you. What? What is this ridiculousness? There we go. That's beautiful. Okay. Yeah, let's actually change him. Where the hell is the... Oh, there he is. Ah, good old Cyberman. Oh, jeez. This is not gonna go well. This is not gonna go well. Not gonna go well at all. Wait, what is buffering? Yes, the Globe APK is a custom one. Actually, it has to be a custom one. Let's see how OP freaking Cyberman is. Oh jeez! Oh no! Oh my god! I'm going to get booty clapped. Please dodge! Please dodge! Dude, Vidal's going to freaking destroy me. Wait, you have a question, but you're afraid to ask. This better not be about payment. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Okay. No, don't ask. You better don't ask. You better for life don't ask. Hodi-sama? Really? We are, okay. Actually I have an idea for this one. Yeah. I have an idea for this one. So let's actually select that again. Let's just select the Cyberman. Right? Let's go back. Let's select the Cyberman again. There we go. Let's see what happens. That is exactly what happens. Now check this out. You know this ain't gonna go right. Oh jeez. Oh god. Oh my god. This is going to... Oh my god. Don't one-shot her, please. Why didn't I counter? Oh yeah, because I gave him a... Wait, what even is that? Oh jeez. It's not global only, meaning that JP units won't be there. You can port the JP units in there, so there will be there will not be a JP version. I don't know, Mahi joke. I don't know. And freaking join the stream on freaking Discord, please. Where's that? Yeah, come on, come. You better join. Otherwise, it will slap you right in the penis. Just saying. Anyway, let's abandon this. Come inside you. See, this is, hey, Hey, see? This is why. Now, because, hey, not that I was ever demonetized, but I could have been demonetized. You dickheads. Why do you make my life a living hell? We need some... Okay, hey, I'm already demonetized, so... I'm just saying, hey, let's get some bitches in here. Right now. They're gonna twerk, and they're going to shake their pee on my face. Come on, no, hey, this time we violate. Piss off. Wait, if you can create EZAs? I mean, there's a literal button, so you will be pretty much, you will be pampered pretty well. Like, baby, don't worry, I'm going to help you out to how to create card. When you get older, you can manually edit the database. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Really now? The French community. If he can get me some French bitches, perfect. Who just moaned? Howard, please, please. Hey, I don't want to get banned. Please. Oh, don't do anything stupid. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Also, this. Thank you, Omar. You're a sexy nigga. Oops. Hey, now I'm getting banned. I am done. I am done. My reputation is. Le putain. Oops. God damn. I'm going to get the. I'm going to jail, man. I am going to get booty tickled without any mercy. I looked up to you. Hey, I didn't say the hard R, okay? Oh jeez. Let me do a multi. Yes. See how random you get? See how random you can get? Look at that. Oh my god. Holy shit. If we can get to 100,000 subscribers by tonight, I'm going to release Scythe right now. No, it certainly is not. I don't have that. I don't have that. Yeah, okay, so if you click on this, you're going to get smooshed. Who just said Moroccan? What? Mm-hmm. Isn't that fraud? Oh jeez. No, but okay, so I don't have to explain who this beautiful of an angel of a man this man is? I mean, angel? Actually, everything. I've been streaming for a good hour and 15 minutes. Yeah. What kind of metal? Oh jeez. Why P? Why P? Leave, hey, leave planet Earth right now. Jeez, this man. Oh jeez. Okay. If you don't, if you don't subscribe, I will kidnap you. There we go. Hody said each like. Wait, I missed that. Hold on. I missed what he said. Hody said each like on this live stream reduces the days before. Do you want to murder me? No, I mean, even if it works, I think I have been ear raping everyone right now. Okay. Oh jeez. Okay. Let's actually make a legit card. Huh? Wait, LR Cyberman army? Wait, the one from the April Fools, right? Why do you whisper so erotically? Erotic massages. Also now, erotic... okay, who the fuck is calling me? No. Wait, I hope... Wait, am I... Oh, jeez. Okay, no, we don't do that here. What am I hearing? What is this music? Huh? Macarena? Really? Wait, was it your music? Huh? Someone ban him. Someone ban him. I'm sorry for the munching. I'm also eating something. Dude, do I look like a professional to you? Where the hell is the... Wait, the... Oh no, I'm sorry, it's a UR. There we go. I think you mean these guys, right? I joke. These ones, right? So, what the fuck do I do with these? Of course he's just ripping out legends. Okay, anyway. There we go. Am I going to get off of YouTube if I do this? No, man. Mm-mm. There we go. There we go. Who's dying over there? What? Oh. Crit on essay? Like guaranteed crit? Dude, this Tabasco is going through my mouth and just desperately wants to come out of my ass, man. Like, this shit is no joke. No, because I'm eating something. This sauce is really. I know. Okay, so let's remove the. What kind of type? Stop the Spanish. Stop it. No. I'm literally. Oh no! I have to do actual values. Really now? Okay. Dude, I'm going to get to jail. I'm going to get to maximum security prison for this. No. No, I don't want to make it obvious. Oh jeez. They are superheroes. You have to understand that. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with the leader skill. I'm really not in the mood for that. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. What? Anyway. Okay. What was I talking about again? Wait. Can the stream hear you? Okay, hold on. Okay. Wait, what were we talking about again? Really now? Okay. Should I let chat? Should I let him hear us? Yeah. Okay, please. Yes. Yeah, people think I'm like freaking crazy that I'm talking to myself. So I was like, yeah, let's not do that. Shut up, dude. Shut up. Going to freaking kill you, bro. Oh jeez. Wait, where is Discord? What the fuck is Discord? Anyway, let's just do let's just do entire display. Fuck it. Just make it really like small. Just put it over here. I think everyone can hear you. I guess so. Let's see. Okay.
You love moaning, it's crazy.
I think now They can hear you.
Let me see.
Okay.
Hi ho.
Hola, pendejo.
Okay, so there we go. Don't be stupid. Please don't be stupid. For once in your life, don't ruin my reputation. That I already don't have. Well, let's be honest.
You already said the N-word, though.
I never said the N-word, man.
Yeah.
Not
no,
the hard
no,
R.
he
Not the
never
hard
said that.
R. Not the
Are
hard
you
R.
Moroccan? Moroccan? Well, I
Who's
don't know how to
here?
pronounce
Who's speaking?
It's
Merged.
merged.
Go home. Go home. Go home, you.
Go home, you're drunk.
Okay, so regarding passive, what should I give the Saiba Ami?
Okay, so you should give him attack and defense boost from the start. Like,
Naturally.
okay, he's got
150%.
broken stats, so how about 50 or 70%? Oh,
Oh,
no,
that's right. He does have a lot of cards.
give him 40%. Okay, let's do a thematic thing with 40% because there's 4 Cybermen.
What?
Let's make
No,
all
let's do
of his
80.
stats-
Then make them each 20%. Oh, okay, no, he
One
does
at a
have high
time.
stats.
One at a time, please.
40%. Just do 40%.
because there's Serious Cody speaking, just to make it clear to the chat.
Mhm.
Because there's 4 Cybermen, I think it would be fun if we made like one beginning of turn attack boost 40%, one 12 key super attack 40%, and another 18 key super attack buff 40%. That way they multiply. That way it's broken, but it doesn't look broken. It's fun.
Okay, let's focus on.
Give him counterattacks.
Let's focus on supers later.
No, I'm not talking supers. I'm talking about the
Passive.
passive.
Oh. No, I
Like
mean,
an
you
attack
said
buff
12
that
key and 8
triggers-
key.
Give him counterattacks in this passive.
No, but yeah.
Oh.
I mean,
I messed up.
stop that, please.
No, hold on. I clicked something. Oh, my
Bro,
life. It's over.
No. No, man. Let me. I'm muted. I'm muted. Oh jeez. That was like a good argument. Freaking Dokkan Essentials.
Yeah.
Dude, Dokkan Essentials, if you live on the northern part of France, we have to chill one time. I want to see the face behind that. You're a
Oh,
funny guy.
yes.
You're a funny guy.
So do I. Gosh, I'd love to organize a meet with you, Dokkan Essentials, and some of the other French streamers I know. Imagine if we could get Marble and Kawaii.
I mean, I want to meet up with you guys, but I don't speak French, so.
I mean, I speak English.
I mean,
Huh.
I speak Spanish.
that's cool.
No,
No,
but that's kind of awkward. Like I'm the only one here that needs to be spoken to in English.
I don't know French, so you're not the only one.
Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, pretty much that is everything regarding. Oh, by the way,
Actually-
I don't know if you noticed, but look at the button.
I can't because I messed. Oh, I'm gonna hurt myself.
What is that?
Oh yeah.
Okay, flip that. I'm done. No, I'm not. I'm not doing this anymore.
Kannst du read this?
Okay.
Can you read this? Si, senor.
Dang, I just realized I'm kind of loud.
Okay, so another skill. Another skill.
And another one. Okay, so like I said, attack and defense buff on super.
On super. Okay. Oh wait, let me actually apply that. There we go. Okay, so back here. What to do, Habibi? What to do?
Attack and defense plus 40%.
What?
Attack and defense plus 40%.
Again?
But on the 12 key.
70%.
What was that, bro?
Huh?
On super?
Yeah, on the super attack. So
Super. Why is my
like,
YouTube closed again?
And then manage conditions. Let's
Oh,
see.
one video. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous.
Okay, so this condition has to be like 12 key, like
Yeah.
12 key or above.
yeah, 12k or above, and it triggers on attack.
Okay, so we have to. There we go. That's that. What's next?
Then attack and defense plus another attack and defense plus 40%, but on ultimate, like on the 18 key.
Wait, what?
Attack and defense plus 40% on the 18 key.
So pretty much the same thing, but instead
Yeah.
of 12, just
Yeah.
18. Oh, 1 second. Hold on.
Good night, Arya. Oh, sucks.
Yeah. Okay, so guys,
Is it your usual annoyances?
yeah, a lot. Yeah, pretty much.
crap
It's
baskets.
always that. So okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. And yeah, maybe I'll stream again. I'm not sure. I don't really have time these days, but I will try to do so. I will always keep you updated, and yeah, pretty much. Thank you for tuning in.
Yep.
See you
Thanks,
guys next
everyone.
time.
Yep.
Take care.